Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how the behavior input can be optimize your marketing campaign and website content. So this is how we can see the URL if I go on overview. Okay, so let me go to site content and let me click on all pages. So here you can see the number of page views on homepage is 103. Okay, from direct traffic it is 98, organic traffic it is 4. And once I click on this link, it will give me data only for this link. Okay, so all users page view is 103, direct traffic 98, organic is 4, unique page views is 56, average time on page is 0.26, entrance 54, bounce rate 55.56, exit is 47.57, and there is no page value. So this is how you can see your customer behavior. And once you go on behavior flow, this is the behavior flow. It will show you the graph like this, and this will show you how people are interacting on your website. You can even check the site speed. So let's check the site speed and let's click on overview. So the site speed average page load time in seconds is 2.45. Okay, so this is how you can check. You can see the browsers, Chrome, and you can see the countries, the site speed according to that country. Okay, so there are a lot of options in Google Analytics. So you just play around with all the options, and with practice you will get more knowledge about Google Analytics. So this is it for this video, and we have just completed the course. I hope you got a brief knowledge about Google Analytics. So see you in some other course. So bye bye and take care.